In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a battery report on Windows 11. This is a quick and reliable way to see how your laptop's battery has been performing over time, including its original design capacity, current full charge capacity, and recent usage patterns. It's especially helpful if your battery seems to drain faster than it used to, or you're deciding whether it's time for a replacement. First, you'll need to open an elevated terminal. Press the Windows key and X together to open the Power User menu, then select Windows Terminal, Admin. If you see a prompt asking for permission, choose Yes. Running as an administrator is important here, because the battery report command needs elevated rights to create the file. With the terminal open, type the command exactly like this: powercfg /battery report. So, powercfg battery report. Press Enter. The command usually runs instantly and won't show much other than a confirmation line. Look closely at the message that appears. It tells you where the report was saved, typically in your user folder, and it will look like a path ending with battery report mel. Make a mental note of that location, or select the text and copy it if that's easier. Next, open File Explorer. You can do that by clicking the folder icon on your taskbar or by pressing Windows key +E. In File Explorer, navigate to the folder path you saw in the terminal. If you're not sure where that is, it's often your main user directory on the system drive. Once you get there, you should see a file named batteryreport.html. Open the report by double-clicking the file. It will launch in your default web browser. If it doesn't open automatically, right-click it, choose Open With, and select your preferred browser. The report is organized into clear sections. At the top, you'll see System Details. Farther down, check Design Capacity versus Full Charge Capacity to understand how much the battery has aged. Recent usage shows when the device was on battery or plugged in, and battery usage includes a graph of drain over time. There's also a section on usage history and cycle count, which helps you gauge overall wear. If you don't see the file where expected, go back to the terminal and make sure you ran it as an administrator and typed the command correctly. You can run the command again and carefully read the save to path. And that's it. You've generated and opened a full battery health report on Windows 11, giving you everything you need to assess performance and plan next steps.